Have you ever struggled to really understand what someone else is going through? What if I told you that actors have a secret tool that allows them to step into anyone's shoes, and you can use it too? Today, we're unlocking empathy exercises from method acting that can transform the way you connect with people in everyday life. Welcome back to Llama, where we break down acting techniques you can use on stage, in class, and even in daily life. Let's dive into the empathy toolkit of method actors. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more drama and theater insights. And let me know in the comments, which of these empathy exercises will you try first?